Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be showing you how I came up with this cute little style right here. So if you would like to see how I achieved this style, then just stay tuned and make sure you turn on your post notifications because YouTube be tripping, and sometimes when I post a video I don't show up in people's feeds. So if you click that bell down below, you'll make sure you don't miss any videos. Also, while you're down there, check out my social media. Add me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my La Vida Rosa Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so this is like a 2-day-old braid out, and I just had my hair up in a bun just like that. So I just took it down just like this. I've been on this tip of trying different hairstyles, and I want to try like a mohawk type style, and I'm just freestyling the whole thing. I want to do like a mohawk type thing, like 2 braids on the sides and then like something really cute going down the middle. A long time ago I did tuck under, like type of tuck under curls, I don't know what you call that, and I did that with Flexi rods. I'm gonna be using bobby pins. I wish I could have found gold bobby pins, but I can only find silver, but weirdly they kind of work the same way with my blonde hair. I don't know why. So first things first, I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections and braid each side going back in a cornrow. And these parts are definitely not going to be perfect. I just want y'all to see. Blonde hair is so unforgiving, especially when the hair grows back even just a little bit. It shows all your little mistakes, but it doesn't matter if the parts are a little crooked or off, because I'm gonna do my best to try to hide that. So now that I have the sections all parted or whatever, I'm going to braid it back. At this point y'all might want to gel down your edges or something like that. I'm not really going to touch my edges because when my hair is this color you could barely see what's going on anyway, so it really doesn't matter. And plus I'm trying to like leave my edges alone and, you know, let them flourish and be themselves, you know, so I'm gonna leave my edges alone. But if you want to like do some baby hair or gel down your edges, you know, now would be a good time to do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna braid my hair straight back. Okay, so now that my braids are like intact and secured, oh, the pin's sticking out a little bit. Okay, the pin was sticking out, but if your hair is like black or dark and you have used a dark pin, it kind of doesn't matter. But, and you kind of couldn't tell right here either, but I just wanted to fix that. But now I'm gonna just take section by section the hair, and like I'm gonna take some of this Cantu and then put it on the hair so it'll take shape of the curls that I'm trying to make with the Flexi rods. And I'm just gonna roll it up and go all the way back. And these curls are not meant to be like perfect. They're basically just like doing a tuck and roll, but it's like in a little bit more of like a uniform way, but it's not in any way supposed to be like the perfect flexi rod curl. The only kind of flexi rods I have are the orange and the gray ones. So I don't know my colors. The only ones I have are the purple and the gray. So I'm going to start with the purple, and then as I go back further, I'm going to start using the gray once I run out of the purple. And my camera is actually about to die, so I might not make it all the way to the back to show you exactly how it looks as I'm doing it, but at the end I'll show you exactly how it looks. I'll record as much as I can. Okay guys, so here is the finished result. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how this came out. Like, I was kind of nervous, like I didn't think this was gonna be too cute, but it actually is. I mean, if I do say so myself, you know, this is my opinion. I do want to hear what y'all think down below. This is actually the second day I've had this hairstyle. I actually forgot to record me taking it down yesterday. So I just rolled it back up last night, and I recorded myself taking it down. So this is how it looks on basically the second day, and it still looks pretty good. Like I said, if you want to add some gel, you know, make it look even more pristine, you can do that. If you want to add some bobby pins and, you know, to make everything a little bit more stable, you can do that. But I didn't bobby pin anything, and it's pretty much gonna stay like this because it's rolled up pretty tight, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a cute little simple style. Well, if you know how to do cornrows, it's really simple. Just cornrow the sides and roll the middle. And if you want something a little different, like a little, you know, fancy updo. Well, is this an updo? Is this considered an updo? kind of. This is like for this could be for like a special occasion, or if you just want to switch your look up. So I want y'all to go ahead and leave a thumbs up if you like this hairstyle, and if you would like to see me come up with more cute natural hairstyles. And also let me know what you think about this one down below. I would love to hear your opinion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.